Welcome, this is Ifetex. We make you happy in this channel by putting money in your bank account with your smartphone and Amazon KDP. Here we share secret tips and strategy on how to make money with your smartphone and Amazon KDP. I want to teach you how to create your Amazon KDP account. Then before we do that, I want to first teach you how to create Amazon account, because Amazon is the big e-commerce platform. As you see here, Amazon is the largest and the highest e-commerce store in the world, dealing with both physical and digital products and services. So in Amazon, there are many things you can do to make money in Amazon. So Amazon, we have under Amazon, we have Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is the one we are focusing on. We also have online arbitrage in Amazon. We also have Amazon FBA. We also have Amazon Affiliate Marketing. So we are going to create account in Amazon because you may still decide to do Amazon Affiliate Marketing. You may still decide to do Amazon FBA in the time to come. So, but we are concentrating our training in this training on Amazon KDP. So let us go and create account with Amazon. From there, we can then create account with Amazon KDP. Now, how then do you do that? The next thing you have to do now is to go to your browser. Then when you go to your browser, you will type in amazon.com. When you type in amazon.com, this will show up. You'll find the one that contains amazon.com like this. When you get it, you click on it. When you click on it, it will open. Now the next thing you have to do now is to go here and click on sign in. I know that you don't have an account, but when you click on sign in, it will open for you. Now if you already have an account with Amazon, you can go here and enter your phone number or your email. But since you are new, you want to create an account with Amazon, what you have to do now is to click here. You click create account. Then that is what you are going to tick. So let's tick it now. As you can see, this is the interface where you are going to create account with Amazon. Now the next thing you have to do now is to fill your name. I want you to remember that the name you are going to use here is the same name that you are going to use to create your Grade.co account. So use your real name here, and that is the one you are going to use to create your Grade.co account, so that the two of accounts will have the same name. So in that order, you will fill your first name here, you then fill your last name, then here you enter your mobile number or your email. Here you create a password, but what I advise you here is when you come here, write your name here. Here you will write your name. Here you will enter your email address. Then here you will create a password that you are going to use. So in that order, what you have to do after that, you will click on where you must have put on this interface, these things. You click on continue in order to go to the next phase. When you click on verify your email, they will give you a puzzle to solve in order to make your account authentic. As you can see, they say solve this to protect your account. So this is where many people is getting it difficult, but if you look closely, you will solve it without stress. So what you have to do now is you click on, there are two ways to do this. The first one is for you to click on this solve puzzle. When you click on it, they will then give you what they want you to solve. Or you can as well click here to change it into sound, into voice. When you click here, they will give you puzzle what you are going to write. I will show you different way to do it. Which one that is good and which one that you can understand most, you will do it. The first one is that we are going to click on this solve puzzle. You click on it. they will give you the puzzle they want you to solve. If you look here closely, they says here, this is what the direction of the puzzle you're about to solve. They say pick the die pay with the same icon facing up. That is what they ask you to do. 2 die pay that is facing up. So this is the first way you can attend to this. Then another way is this. You can, if you don't understand it, you can click here to go back so that they will give you another option. Then when you click here now, for instance, or you want to use audio. If you want to use audio, what you have to do now is to click on the audio sign. They will then turn it to audio. They will ask you what to do using the audio. Let's check it as well. We click on audio. It will come up in this way. Then what you have to do now, if you want to use audio, look at what they ask you to do, the direction of the puzzle. Look it here, read here. They says press play. Type the number of the sound with a crowd of people. Then press enter on the done button below. That is what you are going to do. If you want to use your audio play to solve the puzzle, you click on this sign and listen to it carefully. Listen to what they ask you to do in this instruction. Anything they ask you to write, you type it here. Then after that, you click on done. That is if you want to use audio. Then if you don't want to use audio sign, you click here. You click here to turn it to normal one you are seeing. So let's go to normal one. We click here, it will turn to normal one. Then the next thing you have to do now is to click on solve puzzle. You click on solve puzzle. Then when you click on it, you then check the instruction, pick the die pay with the same icon facing up. You then look at this to see the one that have 2 sides looking up. That is what you are asked to do. Then you begin to look into these icons to see the one that is suggesting this instruction. That is how you will do it. Look at the dice they give here. It might not, your own might not be die. This is what they gave me to solve. Your own will be different. I'm just giving you a directive on how you are going to solve it. You look at this instruction, you then know what they ask you to do. You do it here. So I'm going to solve this one. So anyone they give you, you have to look at the instruction and solve it. So one thing I want you to know is that when you see a puzzle, if you look closely to it, you will see the similarity. They say pick the die pay, which means in each of these, that is what they're saying, in each of these, there must be 2 that is looking alike. So what you have to do is to observe closely. For you to see the one that is looking alike, you are going to pick it. Then it might be not, it might be, you might pick it like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending on the one they give you. Now let's look at this thing closely. Now if you look here now, you will see that in this puzzle, you have to look to it to see the one that has 2 that is looking alike. There must be the 2 that is looking alike, unless you did not observe it well. Now look here. Remember, the clue I'm going to give you is that they always use different colors. Now if you look here now, you will see that this one and this one looks alike, but the only thing is that they have different colors. So 2 of them are the same thing. So you pick it. Have you seen it? It is done. You have already solved your puzzle. When you complete your puzzle, they'll send the code to you to the email. Then let's go to the email. We'll come to the email here. This is the email, this is the code. We copy the code. We'll go back to our account. We paste it there. Then the next thing is to click on verify. We click on verify. Then when you click on verify, you wait for it. Now the next thing now is to verify your phone number. This is where you put your phone number. Here you will select your country. Here you will select your country code number. Here you put your number. Then after that, you click on add number. Then when you do that, they will send you a code to the number to verify it as well. And when that is done, you will go to the next level. So let's put in the number. I'm going to pause it to put in the number and also select the country. After that, we'll continue from the next page. Yeah, when you put in the phone number, they will send an OTP to the number for you to confirm it. Then they'll send the OTP for me. Then the next thing I will do now is to confirm it. Then I'll put in the OTP. After that, you click on this 9. This is the OTP. Now put in the OTP, as you can see. Then after that, the next thing you have to do now is to click on create account. You will click on create account. You will click on create account. This is where you will click on, where you must have put in the OTP they sent to your number. Then let's click on create account. Yes, as you can see, you have created account with Amazon KDP. You have created account with Amazon. If you look here, you will see the name. This is the name I used to create the account. So with this, you have successfully created account with Amazon. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to create account with Amazon KDP. Now we are going on. Now after creating the account with Amazon at large, the next thing you have to do now is to create account with Amazon KDP. And what you have to do is to go to your browser and type in Amazon KDP. Then as you can see, then the next thing you have to go is to go up. You will see Amazon KDP. This is it. You will see here. This is where you are going to click. So in order to get account with Amazon KDP using your Amazon account, which we have created already. Now we click on it. When we click on it, it will open. Now you will see where it's telling us to sign in and where it's telling us to sign up. So because we don't have an account with Amazon KDP, we are going to sign up. So we are going to click here to sign up. That is the next thing we are going to do. So let's click on sign up. We click on sign up. As we click on sign up, we allow it to open. Now let's see the next thing we are going to do when it opens, so that we're able to get account with Amazon KDP. So that is how we are going to do it. Remember, we are going to use the account we have already created in Amazon to get account with Amazon KDP. That is how we are going to do it. We are not going to start afresh to register. We are going to use our already exist Amazon KDP, the one we just created, in order to get account with Amazon KDP. Now we are going ahead. Now if you look at here, it says if you are new to Amazon, that you can use your Amazon account to sign in to your existing account. So in that order, we are new to KDP. So they say that you can use an Amazon login to register. So that is what we are going to do, so that we will boycott other processes. So we are going to use our already created Amazon KDP, our already created Amazon account to register. So here we enter the email we use to register it. That is what we are going to do. So I'm going to enter the email and password as we continue. So when I put in the login details of my Amazon in order to get my Amazon KDP, after that, as you can see, I'll put in the details here. Then the next thing is to click on sign in. So they are going to sign me in using my Amazon account I just created. So the next thing we are going to do now is to click on sign in. We are going to click on sign in. So we have already click on sign in. Then the next thing you have to do now is to click on agree. As you can see, you click on agree in order to get your Amazon KDP account. So we are going to click on agree. When we click on agree, wow, we have gotten our Amazon KDP account with ease. As you can see, this is our Amazon KDP account. We have succeeded in getting our Amazon KDP account using our Amazon account. So with this, you can be able to create your Amazon KDP account with ease. Then the next thing we are going to do for you is to tell you how to complete this account. As you can see, this account is still incomplete. So we are going to teach you how to complete it in the next video.